smart solutions. Add-on desires.
Hello viewers, welcome to our daily news and assist session. This session is mainly for those aspirants who are preparing for banking, groups, sub-inspector, EPFO, SSC and other examinations. So first article, Sri Lanka has invited Myanmar's military minister for BIMSTEC meeting. So what is BIMSTEC meeting? What is BIMSTEC? So BIMSTEC stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. So BIMSTEC is short for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. It has 7 countries as members. 5 countries are from South Asia. So what are these 5 countries? India, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. So what about other 2 countries? These 2 countries will be from Southeast Asia. These countries are Myanmar and Thailand. So on the whole, on the 7 countries population combined is nearly 1.5 billion people and their GDP is nearly 3.5 trillion. Okay. The leadership of this organization is rotated among the member countries based on the alphabetical order of the countries' names. This is how the country's leadership will be provided. Next, the permanent secretariat is at Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Now we'll see the BIMSTEC countries in clear. India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. These 5 countries are South Asian countries, and Myanmar and Thailand, these 2 are Southeast Asian countries but members of the BIMSTEC. Next, the capital of the secretariat of BIMSTEC is at Dhaka, that is in Bangladesh. Next, there is a discussion in today's Hindu newspaper regarding Afghanistan. First, Afghanistan is a Central Asian country. It is a landlocked country. What does landlocked mean? Landlocked means that it does not have any coastline. So see here, this is all Afghanistan. It is boundaried by Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and China on the north, India, Pakistan on the east, and you have Iran on the west. So it does not have any coastal areas. Thus it is called as landlocked country. And these are the neighboring countries which we've discussed now. Next, Nepal is at crossroads. In Nepal, political party which is ruling the Nepal is undergoing various clashes. So we'll not get into the political issue in Nepal. We'll see where Nepal is. Nepal is a South Asian country. It is landlocked between China and India. That is, Nepal does not share any border with any other country apart from China and India. Okay, it is here and its capital is Kathmandu. In the picture you can see Mr. Oli. He is the present Prime Minister of Nepal. Next, work on floating solar power plant in final stages. So you can see in this image that solar power plant which is floating is being constructed at Ramagundam. This is in Telangana. So this unit will be the country's biggest floating solar power plant. Okay. It will be the country's biggest solar power plant which is floating. It is being developed by NTPC. The overall capacity of this plant will be 447 megawatt once its construction is completed. Next, Navy inducts third Scorpene submarine. So What is Scorpene submarine? Scorpene submarine is a conventional diesel and electric submarine. This is designed by France's naval group, but after the designing, they have transferred this design, and now these submarines are being built by India at Mazgaon Dock Limited. These submarines are being built under Project 75. Under this project, many submarines will be indigenously produced in India. So this project will be belonging to Navy. So now there can be a question which can ask regarding, so the question can be like, Project 75 is relating to which field? Is it relating to space? Is it relating to army? Is it relating to DRDO? Or is it relating to Navy? So you can write Navy as the answer. Next, India not part of Russian meet on Afghanistan. So what is this Russian meet regarding Afghanistan? Russia had started an event, a meeting called Troika. This meeting is basically for Afghanistan government officials, Russia and Taliban. So earlier only these three people, that is only these three, were part of Troika. Now what happened is, in this year, this Troika meeting, Troika summit has given invitations to USA, China and Pakistan also. You should note that India has not been invited. Only USA, China and Pakistan are invited for this meeting from this year. So these are the topics which are relevant for you in the Hindu newspaper of the today's session. This is the end of the session. Thank you.
Add-on solutions. Add-on desires.